Hi lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. My name is Neo. This is, ooh, let me fix that. Welcome back to my channel guys. I have an unboxing for you today. Something I had my eye on for a very long time. Something a little small. But if you'd like to see what I purchased recently, then please stick around so you can see what I got in this box here. I really went back and forth about whether or not I was going to do an unboxing video for this item, and simply because A, luxury fatigue, unboxing videos, yada yada yada, and B, I really didn't know if I was going to keep this item or not, and I kind of ended up deciding to keep it kind of like by default, if that makes sense. I'll get into it. But hey, before I jump on into the video, welcome to Ahhhsoneo. My name is Neo. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. I'm a channel that likes to talk about luxury, whether that's beauty, shoes, bags. I like to do hauls, unboxings, project pans, because you know, as much as I like to buy new stuff, I also like to get rid of stuff. So it's a whole smorgasbord of topics here on this channel, and thank you so much for coming back to watch. If you've been here before, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. So a little bit of housekeeping. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'm gonna link here a link to another video that I've done where I talk about what I'm gonna do when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm over 900, so we're marching along just fine. If you want to win a gift card to a high-end department store or a high-end a premier designer brand, then you've got to check out that video, because it's gonna be a really fun giveaway once I get there. So you got to help me get there so you can help yourself win. Haha. But anyway, let's move on to this box over here. So about a month ago I got, about a month ago I got an email from Coach, yes Coach, that they were doing a discount. If your purchase price was over $300, you would get 30% off. I think it was 20% if it was less than $300. And I'd had my eye on an item at Coach now for about 6 or 7 months. I first saw this purse and I knew I wanted it. I really knew I wanted it, and I was just kind of waiting, biding my time, because I've been really good shopping this year. Kind of, sort of, almost. But anyway, I got the purse, and I love how it's so secure, the way they shipped it. I did not request a gift bag or anything, a gift box or anything, because this is just something to myself. My receipt. I purchased this directly from the Coach website. Oh, I also want to mention that I used ebates when I went to purchase this, and Coach was having, like, I think 4% back on ebates, and so I got a little bit of cash back for doing that. So if you don't know what ebates are, or you're new to ebates, or you haven't used ebates, I've got my referral link down below. Use it. We'll each get a little bit of cash when I refer somebody, and also it's a really great system for getting some money back for the shopping you're going to do anyway. So I've got a little thank you card from Coach here, just thanking me for making the purchase. And yeah, I think my ambivalence about this bag, which is in this lovely white Coach dust bag, and this is exactly how I'm going to store this bag, stuffed of course, so it can maintain its shape. But I had quite a bit of back and forth with this. I know I have a Chanel bag collection video, which I'll link. I also have a Louis Vuitton collection video, which I'll link. But I do buy purses from other brands. My purchases from other brands tend to be limited because, you know, Chanel and Louis Vuitton take up a lot of my spare cash. But every once in a while I will get something different, and I love it. It is the Colorblock quilted Parker, and I think it came in black, but I saw this in the spring and just fell in love with this soft pink color. And some of you who know who've seen some of my bags, like on Instagram or something, will say, oh, you have a pink purse, because I do. I have a pink Chanel purse, but that's a very soft pink. This is a bit more powerful pink. I love the striped quilting here and here with the rivets, and I like that it has a little bit of brown and beige in the colors. There's a pocket on the back. It's a typical Coach Parker bag. There's a pocket in the back, and although I've been kind of playing with it like this, as you can see, I haven't taken the paper off the gold chain yet. Look at this turn lock, guys. I kind of blame this purchase on Amy Elizabeth here on YouTube. She has a Parker bag, a different one. I think it's one with the signature print, and then it's leather up here. And that's when I really started paying attention to the Parker bag and deciding I really like this style. But when I saw this quilted one, I really fell in love with it. There's a part of me that's kind of wishing I'd gone with the black for fall and winter, but I know myself, I'm not good with black purses, so I'm happy I stuck with this. I did consider sending it back because I might not use this for a few months because it is such a light color and it is fall. But you know what? And then I thought about it and I thought, who cares? I'm not the typical, oh, it's fall, I can only wear wine colored purses or black or dark brown or whatever. I like to carry whatever suits my outfit, and I plan on wearing pink during the fall and winter, so why not? Okay. Inside it is, oh, and this is a leather bag, obviously. Inside it's suede and it has 3 compartments, including a zippered one and a pocket back here. So it is very roomy and much bigger looking than it looks. Does that make sense? I hope so. And okay, let me pull out the strap, because another thing that I like is that this purse, it can be worn handheld that way that I was just holding it for you guys, or you can I know I need to just hurry up and take this thing off, but I just haven't used the purse out yet, and so until I do, I probably won't take that off. But you can pull the strap out like this. It's a drop enough where I can very comfortably carry it over my shoulder. So I like that. And of course, to add to versatility, this top here, I'm gonna digress because that's what I do. But this top here just kind of reminds me of like a Chanel flap, and how you can move this around because you got the 2 holes for this chain. And mind you, I haven't pulled it out here, but the chain, besides being much thicker, it has a leather going through the strap, just the same way the Chanel bag does. So I don't know if some people feel some kind of way about that, like Coach is, you know, stealing a Chanel design element here, but I think really we're at the point now when we know that all of these designers kind of take from each other. I honestly feel like there's no original ideas left in this world. Don't really plan on carrying it like this, but as you can see, just like how you can do it with the Chanel flap, I've pulled the strap flat here and extended it that way, which would allow me to carry it in a crossbody fashion. I wasn't really planning on standing up and doing a modeling shot, so sorry if that was so terrible, but you know, I hope you got some kind of idea. I really should take this off, but I will when I wear it for the first time because I just haven't yet. So this is, I'm glad I kept it. I went back and forth about whether or not I should keep this bag, and I'm really glad I did. This pocket's going to be handy for carrying my iPhone when I'm on the go. So yeah, guys, so yes, lovelies, that is my new Coach Parker purse. just to kind of show you guys that I do carry other purses than the ordinary. Although if you've seen my colorful bags video, all the colorful bags that I own, then you would have seen some of my other Coach purses in that video as well. So there you go. Yeah. So thanks so much for coming by, and as always, remember guys, choose happiness every day, every moment, every second. Happiness is a choice. Choose it wisely. Thank you.